Using a prepaid Visa card online is a convenient and secure way to make purchases without having to use a credit or debit card. To get started, you will need to obtain a prepaid Visa card, which can be purchased at a retail store or online. Once you have the card, you will need to activate it by following the instructions provided with the card. To use your prepaid Visa card online, you will need to have the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is typically 16 digits long and can be found on the front of the card. The expiration date is also located on the front of the card and is usually in the format of month and year. The security code is a 3-digit code located on the back of the card. When making an online purchase, you will be asked to enter your card information. Start by selecting the prepaid Visa card as your payment method. Then, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code in the required fields. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any errors. One of the benefits of using a prepaid Visa card online is that it allows you to control your spending. Since the card is prepaid, you can only spend the amount that is loaded onto the card. This makes it a great option for individuals who want to stick to a budget or for parents who want to give their children a limited amount of spending money. Another benefit of using a prepaid Visa card online is that it provides an additional layer of security. Since the card is not linked to a bank account, you do not have to worry about your account being compromised if the card information is stolen. Additionally, many prepaid Visa cards offer zero liability protection, which means that you will not be held responsible for any unauthorized transactions. To get the most out of your prepaid Visa card, make sure to check the balance regularly to ensure that you have sufficient funds. You can usually check the balance online or by calling the customer service number provided with the card. It is also a good idea to keep track of your transactions to ensure that there are no unauthorized purchases. In conclusion, using a prepaid Visa card online is a convenient and secure way to make purchases. By following the steps outlined above and taking the necessary precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of online shopping while controlling your spending and protecting your financial information.